Class 2 children, please take out your literature book. Class 2 children, please take out your literature book. Open page 65, Unit 11, The Reward of Truth. Unit 11, The Reward of Truth. Children, in the previous class, I had already explained this lesson. But let us go through this lesson one more time. So Satya lived in a small village with his mother. Satya was a poor boy. He lived in a small village with his mother. His father had died when he was a baby, but his brave mother had worked hard to send him to school and also to be good, kind and truthful. So Satya was a small boy and he lived in a village with his mother. His father died when he was a baby, but his mother was very brave and hardworking. His mother worked hard. Why, children? Because to send Satya to school for him to be good, kind and truthful. And Satya was a hardworking pupil. I did very well at school. And Satya was also a hardworking pupil and did very well at school. So one day his mother decided, now let us see children what his mother decided. His mother decided to send him to his uncle who lived in Delhi. So Satya's mother decided to send Satya where, children? To Delhi. For what? To his uncle's place for further study, so that he could study further. Satya's mother had saved some money by working hard so that she could use it for her son's studies. Now Satya's mother had saved some money by working hard for her son's studies. Before Satya left for Delhi, Satya's mother gave him 5,000 rupees. So before Satya left for Delhi to his uncle's place for further studies, his mother gave him how much, children? 5,000 rupees. And after giving 5,000 rupees, Satya's mother told Satya that this is what I have. Use it carefully. What I had, I gave it to you. And she also reminded Satya never to tell a lie, never do anything wrong and have faith in God. So his mother advised him never to tell a lie, never to do anything wrong and have faith in God. And then Satya left for Delhi by bus. There were many passengers in the bus with Satya. As it became dark, 4 men jumped out of the seats and forced the driver to take the bus into a lonely jungle. So there were many other passengers in the bus. As it became dark, 4 men who were already in the bus, they forced the driver to take the bus into a lonely jungle. Then they showed pistols to the passengers and took away all their money and jewelry. Then those 4 men, they showed pistols to the passengers, took away all their money and jewelry. They did not demand anything from Satya because he was poorly dressed and they thought he would have no money with him. But the robbers did not demand anything from Satya because, why children? Because he was poorly dressed and they thought that he would not have anything with him. He would not have any money with him. No money with him. As the robbers were about to jump off the bus with the loot, the leader stopped before Satya and said, I think, young man, by the way you are dressed, you do not have anything which we can take. Do you need money? So as the robbers with their loot was about to jump off the bus, the leader stopped before Satya and told Satya that the way you are dressed up, I think you don't have anything with you. So do you need money? So what did Satya tell, children? To the leader, Satya told the leader that I have 5,000 rupees with me. The robber did not believe him and said, stop playing games with me. Promptly Satya took out the little cloth bag that his mother had given him and showed the chief his money. Then when the leader told him that, do you need money? Satya said that, no, I have 5,000 rupees with me. The robber did not believe him and said, stop playing games with me. But what did Satya do? Satya took out the little cloth bag that his mother had given him and showed the chief robber his money. All the robbers were surprised. Why, children? All the robbers were surprised and asked Satya why he had shown them his money. All the robbers were surprised because Satya showed them his 5,000 rupees. Satya replied, my mother has told me never to tell a lie. So then Satya replied that my mother has taught me not to tell a lie. Then what happened? The robbers were ashamed of themselves and admired Satya for his honesty. They realized that they had done something wrong, and then they returned all the money and jewelry they had taken from the passengers, and they made up their minds to become honest men from that day onwards. So the robbers made up their minds to become honest men from that day onwards. So children, I hope you all have gone through the lesson and learned all the spellings. Now the word meanings, children. Let us go through the word meanings. Brave, not afraid. Truthful, honest. Faith, trust. Lonely, alone. Promptly, at once. Ashamed, feeling shame. Realized, thought. So children, I hope you all have learnt the word meanings also. Now children, we will do the exercises. Few exercises are here. We will do the exercises. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Dash lived in a small village with his mother. Dash lived in a small village with his mother. So who lived? Children, what will be the answer? Dash lived in a small village with his mother. The answer is Satya lived in a small village with his mother. Satya lived in a small village with his mother. Now number 2, children. Mother worked hard to send Satya to dash. Mother worked hard to send Satya to dash. Where, children? To send Satya to school. Now number 3. Satya was a dash pupil. Satya was a dash pupil. So what will be the answer, children? Satya was a hard-working pupil. Answers are all given in the book, children. So please go through the book. Number 4. Satya's mother decided to send him to his uncle who lived in, where, children? Delhi. Number 4. Satya's mother decided to send him to his uncle who lived in Delhi. The answer is Delhi. Now number 5. Satya's mother had saved some dash by working hard. Satya's mother, number 5, Satya's mother had saved some, what will be the answer, children? Money by working hard. Satya's mother had saved some money by working hard. The dash forced the driver to take the bus into a dash. Number 6, there are 2 dashes, children. So what will be the answers? The dash forced the driver to take the bus into a dash. The robbers forced the driver to take the bus into a jungle. Number 7. Satya was dash dressed. So what will be the answer, children? Satya was poorly dressed. Satya was poorly dressed. Now number 8. Satya's mother gave him dash 1,000 rupees. Number 8 is children. Satya's mother gave him dash 1,000 rupees. Satya's mother gave him dash 1,000 rupees. So what will be the answer, children? 5. Satya's mother gave him 5,000 rupees. Satya's mother gave him 5,000 rupees. Next, children, number 9. The robbers were ashamed of themselves and dashed Satya for his dash. So what will be the answer, children? The robbers were ashamed of themselves and admired Satya for his honesty. The robbers were ashamed of themselves and admired Satya for his honesty. Number 10. Satya took out the little dash bag. Satya took out the little cloth bag. Now exercise 2, children. Answer the following in one word. Exercise 2. Answer the following in one word. Number 1. His father died when he was a baby. Number 1. His father died when he was a baby. So what will be the answer, children? His father died when he was a baby. The answer is Satya. Yes, the answer is Satya, because Satya's father died when he was a baby. Number 2. She reminded Satya not to tell lie and do anything wrong. Number 2. She reminded Satya not to tell lie and do anything wrong. So what will be the answer, children? She. Who is she? Who reminded Satya not to tell lie and do anything wrong? Mother. Yes. The answer is mother. Now number 3. Satya lived in this place with his mother. Satya lived in this place with his mother. Where did Satya live, children? Satya lived in a small village. So the answer will be village. The answer will be village. Now number 4. Number 3 answer will be village. Satya lived in this place with his mother. Village. Number 3 answer will be village. Number 4. They showed pistols to the passengers. They showed pistols to the passengers. Who showed pistols to the passengers, children? The robbers, isn't it? The robbers showed pistols to the passengers. So the answer will be robbers. They showed pistols to the passengers. The answer will be robbers. Achha. Number 5. He stopped before Satya. He stopped before Satya. Answer is leader. The leader stopped before Satya, isn't it, children? So the answer is he stopped before Satya. The answer is leader. Now number 6. They gave their money and jewelry to the robbers. They gave their money and jewelry to the robbers. So what will be the answer, children? They gave their money and jewelry to the robbers. Who gave the money and jewelry to the robbers, children? Passengers. Yes, the answer is passengers. They gave their money and jewelry to the robbers. Answer is passengers. Now, children, next exercise. Exercise 3. Who said these words and to whom? Exercise 3. Who said these words and to whom? Number 1. My son, this is all the money I have used it. I have used it carefully. So number 3, exercise 3. Who said these words and to whom? Number 1. My son, this is all the money I have. Use it carefully. So who said these words and to whom? Satya's mother said these words to Satya. Satya's mother said these words to Satya. And number 2. I have 5,000 rupees with me. Who said these words and to whom? I have 5,000 rupees with me. The Satya said these words to the leader. I have 5,000 rupees with me. Satya said these words to the leader. Number 3. Stop playing games with me. Stop playing games with me. Stop playing games with me. So who said these words and to whom? The leader said these words to Satya. The leader said these words to Satya. Now exercise 4, children. Correct the errors in the following sentences. Correct the errors in the following sentences. Number 1. Satya left for Mumbai by bus. Satya left for Mumbai by bus. You have to correct the error in this sentence, children. So, what will be the correct answer? Which word is wrong in this sentence, children? Satya left for Delhi by bus. Satya left for Delhi, not Mumbai, Delhi. Then next, children. Number 2. John was a hardworking pupil. John was a hardworking pupil. So who was hardworking, children? Satya was a hardworking pupil. Satya was a hardworking pupil. Number 3. Satya lived with his father in a small village. Satya lived with his father in a small village. So the answer is, children, which word is not correct, children, in this sentence? Father. Satya lived with his mother in a small village. Number 4. The robbers forced the pilot to take the bus into a lonely jungle. The answer is, children, the robbers forced the driver, not pilot. Number 5. Satya's mother gave Satya 6,000 rupees. So how much money? Satya's mother gave Satya 5,000 rupees. Number 6. The passenger did not believe Satya. The passenger did not believe Satya. What will be the answer? The leader. The leader did not believe Satya. Now next, children. Exercise 5. Give the opposites of the following words. Give the opposites of the following words. Number 1. Small. Opposite of small is big. Opposite of small is big. Now number 2. Brave. So opposite of brave is coward. C-O-W-A-R-D. C-O-W-A-R-D. Coward. Small, big, brave, coward. Number 3. Good. Bad. Number 4. Kind. Kind, unkind, and cruel. Children, you can write unkind also, cruel also. Unkind, U-N-K-I-N-D, unkind, cruel, C-R-U-E-L, cruel. Number 5, wrong, right. Number 6, young, old. Number 7, honest, dishonest. So small, big, brave, coward, good, bad, kind, unkind, cruel, wrong, right, young, old, honest, dishonest. Next, children. Exercise 6. Make sentences with the following words. Make sentences with the following words. Number 1 is village. Number 2, worked. Number 3, brave. Number 4, carefully. Number 5, jungle. Now answer the following questions. The questions are given in your book, children. Page 67, the questions are given. Page 67, all the questions are given. Where did Satya live? Question number 1, where did Satya live? Question number 1, where did Satya live? Answer is Satya lived in a small village. Question number 1, where did Satya live? The answer is Satya lived in a small village. Question number 2, why did his mother want him to go to Delhi? Question number 2, why did his mother want him to go to Delhi? Answer 2 is Satya's mother wanted him to go to Delhi so that he could study further. Next, children. Question number 3. How had she saved the money? How had Satya's mother saved the money? How had Satya's mother saved the money? Answer is Satya's mother had saved the money by working hard. Question number 4. What did the robbers do in the bus? The answer is the robbers showed pistols to the passengers and took away all their money and jewelry. Number 5. Question number 5. Why did the chief robber not harm Satya? Answer is the chief robber did not harm Satya because he was very poorly dressed. So he thought that he never had anything with him. Question number 6. What did Satya say when the chief robber asked him if he needed money? Answer 6 is Satya said that he has 5,000 rupees with him. Now question number 7, children. What lesson do you learn from the story? What lesson do you learn from the story? The answer is I learned from the story the reward of truth, that I should be truthful and honest. And children, you can write that I should not tell lie. I should not do anything wrong. I should have faith in God. All these also you can write. Now question number 8 is not given in the book, children. Question number 8 I have written down over here. Who were ashamed of themselves? The answer is the robbers were ashamed of themselves. The robbers were ashamed of themselves. Who were ashamed of themselves? The robbers were ashamed of themselves. Now number 9, children. Question number 9. What did the robbers do with the money and jewelry? What did the robbers do with the money and jewelry? The answer is the robbers returned all the money and jewelry that they had taken from the passengers. The robbers had returned all the money and jewelry that they had taken from the passengers. So children, I hope you have understood everything. Everything is clear to you, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.